Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on, are all USB-C cables the same? And a resounding answer to that in simple terms is no. So here we have my assistant today with us, Fred, and I'm going to open the package and give him the warranty card to look over. And I'm going to take the two cords out, and as I do that, he's got something to say. So as you can see, two cords, he approves, packaging. And these are, like I said, the faster speed USB cords. They're a softer rubber material, very sturdy. I think it's 6 feet cords. Not all USB-C cables are equal. USB-C stands for the shape and type of the connector, which is the same for all USB-C cables. But not all cables support the same kind of protocols and transfer speeds. I actually found this out the hard way with a SSD drive I had that was outputting very slow speeds, which I'm putting in the video for you to see, versus later on I bought a different USB-C cable and huge difference in speed. To use a Thunderbolt 3 product, a Thunderbolt 3 cable is required. For the best transfer rates and to make full use of the Thunderbolt 3 interface, I recommend using a cable that supports 40 gigs per second. To use a USB device with a USB-C connector, I recommend using either a USB cable that supports 10 gigabytes per second or a Thunderbolt cable that also supports USB 3.1 Gen 2. The 3.1 Gen 2s are the ones that I recommend more so than others. They'll give you the highest throughput. Important notice, when purchasing a new cable, check the specifications carefully in the description. I'm putting a table in with the cable features above for reference only, and there of course are going to be different variations available in the market. For use with the Thunderbolt 3 devices, the keyword will be Thunderbolt 3 and 40 gigs per second. For use with a USB 3.1 Gen 2 device, the keywords will be USB 3.1 Gen 2 and 10 gigabytes per second. So that's my video on the difference in the different USB-C type cables. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.